And this is the finale one, guys. Number 5 by default. This was what was left over if you watch the randomizing. Alright, let's see what we ended on. So far we've got quite a few nice pictures. The nicest picture today is probably, without dispute, the Joe Montana Emmett Smith duel. That was a really nice one. Al Pacino's up there though. I like Al. We got the best helmet today was a full-size Manning helmet. Although we only got 2 helmets. See if we can finish with a bang. Like William Hung says, she bangs. Let's finish with a bang. Empty. You noticed it on YouTube. Empty. There we go. She bangs. She bangs. Oh, that one opened right up. Open sesame. I'm just going to move it off this wrap so you can see. All right, let's see who we got. Number 1, Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt dude, batting helmet, replica, obviously. Who certified that? Schwartz Sports. Schwartz Sports, and there's a leaf authentication in there as well. Frank Thomas helmet. We got a batting helmet and a football helmet. Actually 2. Frank T. Next, Greg Maddux. This one is just an 87 authenticated autograph. It's weird how this product's a little bit like the Super Break stuff we just did with the authentic autographs, the 16 by 20 pictures, stuff like that. Greg Maddux. That's his 87 Donruss rookie. Next, one of the best actors of all time. Anyone guess who it is? The man, Clint Eastwood. Never pulled a Clint Eastwood autograph. That's awesome. That is Josie, isn't it? I don't know, he had such a look like that, but I think that was Josie. He had to sing what? Dixie and the Battle Republic? What was the other song he had to sing? What was the other song? It was Dixie.
Whistle Dixie or sing this Battle Hymn of the Republic.
Yeah. Both with equal enthusiasm. They said they wanted Quick Mike's ass. I said, how much? They said 5. I said, cents? And I said, dollars? He said, cents. I said, sold. 2 jerseys. These are the first jerseys we had today. Ronnie Lott, full-size jersey. Ronnie Lott, full-size jersey. type that up. And the last one of it all, who is that? Oh, Sammy Watkins. Should have known that autograph by now. Pulled a million of his cards. Sammy Watkins, full-size jersey. There you go. Let's do it. Oh, don't slice up all that cardboard. You can break it down. Yeah, we're going to need some for jumbo pictures.
Or shipping?
Yeah, I'll show you how we have to do it. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Juan, you're on top. Andrew Murr, you're on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one, 9. Juan, you get the Ronnie Lott full-size jersey. Hoss, you get the Frank Thomas mini helmet. Michael, you get the Sammy Watkins jersey. Hoss, you get the Clint Eastwood. That was a nice one. And Andrew, you get the Greg Maddux autograph card. Okay. And that will do it for Treasury. Pretty cool stuff. It's like all those kind of products, I guess. A bunch of cool stuff and some decent stuff. Thanks, everybody, for jumping in. We're going to come right back. We're going to do ITG, hockey. Be right back.